Yeah man, guys, so you don't know where we're going with our bush cooking idea. Yeah. Maybe we're going with some roast breadfruit, you know, and maybe some cooked up cornmeal dumpling and some ackee. You know, we don't know where we're going to cook with the ackee, the chicken back or saltfish. We don't make up our mind yet, so we just go get the breadfruit, and after we get the breadfruit, guys, then we decide our mind. So watch where I'm going, we'll climb it.
I got like shoes, yes. I've been away, it's a long jeans, I'm running up in this tree a long time, you know.
I joked me that joke, guys. I was just joking. Yeah, man, easy. You can't climb tree barefoot, guys. If you climb tree barefoot, you split my foot button. I'm climbing a fruit. Yes, I'm actually reach up and tired like a dog. Alright.
Ah. I'm done pick breadfruit and I come right down back. As you can see. Yeah, this is the way we do it in Jamaica.
Yeah man, you done pick breadfruit you know? Pick some ackee now. Yes guys, you know we're there upon the ends, you know. Remember we said we are gonna do a bush cooking, you know, some roast breadfruit and some ackee and you know so chicken back we are cook with the ackee though. Yeah man, definitely. So my brother Chef Omar just come link me, same spear fisherman, you know, spearfishing same way, you know. So Chef Omar come link me and him say boy I deal with a bush cooking. Say don't know say from say cooking a Chef Omar, you know. So I pick some ackee now, you know. So yeah man, so I'm gonna be the man behind the scene. So yeah, we have to tell the guys
Yes guys, you know we're out here in the bush picking in some ackee just like our Turbo said earlier, is me, and just stay tuned and just take a look when we go up in the ackee tree, pick ackee them and come down and shell them out and put them together. I don't know ackee is a national dish.
Yes man.
Jamaican national dish.
No, it's national fruit. Ackee and saltfish is national dish.
Some people go with codfish. Is me?
Yeah.
Yeah, ackee and saltfish.
So we are going to give it a little difference today. We are going to make some ackee and chicken back, you know.
Yeah.
That is ghetto national dish.
Which is
yeah
right.
Man. So you're all up to Chef Omar now to catch me. I pick some ackee now. Yeah. So them one you kind of down from the low, so I go and pick them off first, guys, you know. Yeah, then we climb the tree. Watch it, natural. Come a little bit closer, man. People them see what I go on, man. I want to hear you out. Go on, the people don't get full picture of what I go on, you know. Yeah man, remember, we say fruitful Jamaica. You see it, can't hungry, so there you go do a bush cooking in idea, yeah. Yeah man, remember we say spearfishing and lifestyle, you know, family, you know. And I go to a lifestyle how me live in my community, you know. Yeah man. So I kind of don't pick off one of them from the low, you know, guys. Repeat some more, go and check some more. Yeah man, so find one good amount down from the low already, you know. You don't know me, I'll climb a chair now and go find some more. Cause this is just me alone, you know. Yeah man. Watch where I go on, guys. I'm sure know where I go on. Natural. You know? Natural. Yeah man, natural ackee.
Yes guys, if you notice, the ackee is picking.
Yeah man, we have picked some ackee, you know?
So
Up in our tree and I picked some with the stick. Yes guys, this is Chef Omar. So you know that me and Chef Omar there, you know.
so, picking up the ackee right now.
Yeah.
You notice.
So you pick up the ackee them and I don't know. Wait, what's bite him guys? The man put you in a wasp nest to blow. You know bite him. Catch him and then jump up. And what's this man put you in there?
See them so.
Oh. Yeah man, so there I pick up the ackee them. See? Yeah man. So this is how Chef Omar go cook today. Yeah man. And see. So what we did pick from the lower limb guys. Yeah man, then I will pick from the lower limb. So the whole away see under the tree now. I will pick from the tree. So whole heap, you know, it's a lot. So I'm go and pick them up. So okay, you know, so I have a surprise soon too guys. So I walk. Me up in a ackee tree, I spot a bush. I spot a tree down in a bush and I walk go to it. Cause you know we are gonna need refreshment, you know guys. And me say straight from the bush we are gonna pick whatever we are gonna do today, you know. So this is a sour orange tree. As in silver orange, or them call it sour orange. So we see a couple up in the bush there. And I did already put some ice on the fridge for set. So we are going to split them 3 little so orange to make the juice today guys. Yeah, I'm find a stick like a regular spot for people, you know. You see it? Like a regular spot. Yeah man, so we just have to pick them guys. Yeah man, it's an adventure. So, you know, one pick already there. 2. No, you know, pick yet. Yeah man. Pick there. Some pick 3 of them. No more. Think 3 is enough guys. 2, 3. No more. Them are good for me. I swear. Yeah, so we call them sour orange. Not orange, you know guys, sour orange. Nice to make juice. Refreshing, you know. So this will be our refreshment. We're gonna use for the refreshment. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. Yeah, I like go. 70? I go have on your mask. 90. So ready guys. Come get them from the shopping.
Is that right?
Yes, so I'm done guys. Fifth la, she give me back, you know, 550 la. Wow. So I don't get what I get guys at the shop, so I say I go take up and take up, you know.
Make sure I get some of my food because shop can't come out of the shop.
Get your food.
Shop can't come out of the shop.
You have to come about street.
Shop, you have to stay in the shop. Come see them little cheese sticks here. $20.
No, no cheat tricks, man. We don't eat cheat tricks. Yeah, so we are go back, you know. See it? Yes, guys. So me don't get what I want, you know. So forward back in the hills, you know, and so prepare up and yeah, guys. So yeah, man. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so now we reach to the spot, so take out the things I'm out of care, pot this a jug, this said water and you don't know, bite them there same way and breadfruit in a box and ackee. Nice spots in a deal, you know, we just go do a little cook out, bush cooking, you know. Yeah, adventurous lifestyle guys. Yeah man. Don't know thing there guys. Warrior them there same way. Yeah man, so we are walk go towards the bush right now. Yeah, see if we can get a we can stay and see the ocean, guys. Yeah man. Have a little glimpse of the ocean. We have a little blue spot there, ocean that, guys. So I think we're gonna work with this little location right here, guys. It's not a bad spot, you know. Yeah man. So as I say, guys, you know, say we find this spot, but we're not so comfortable with that spot because we want to get a better, we'll give you guys a proper view of the ocean, guys. So we just walk go towards, look more on the edge of the hill, the mountain. See if I can wait. Oh, crazy thing I go on the bush here. All a tank in the bush here, guys. Yeah man. You see it? Nice tank. Tank and a chaff, cow pen, you know. Yeah, back in the ancient days. Remember them ancient days, guys, when the fourth grandparents used to have raised cow and them thing there. Them used to, yeah, so that was part of it, guys. So yes guys, so we are finally reach our location. So you see, we are set up put the stone them to make the fire, you know. Yeah man, for roast the breadfruit. I know guys, right now tell us so we go down in the bush a while ago and we have to change all the location. You know, grass lights are that kill we. Yeah man, grass lights are that mad we, guys.
Everybody them big.
Yeah man. Grass lights, guys. Grass lights that kill we, guys. So you don't know. Come back up under the mango tree, you know. The mango tree at the kitchen, you know, guys. Nice mango tree. Yeah man. See surrounding there. We'd go for try to get the view of the ocean, but John, we have to come from that location. The ticks down in the bush. So we kind of have to go beat it on the little pass by side, that's all, roadside, that's all. Yeah man, so we're making fire right, that's all, you know. Yes guys. Yes guys, so we're
alright.
We're going to fire, you know,
split up some lumber now, you know. Yeah.
Yeah man.
Cook down them thing, you know. Roast up all the breadfruit and pick out the ackee and cook it them with some chicken back, you know. Bad as hell, you know. Alright. Yeah.
Last time I was from my friend, me get one too. What are they for you? You find one by your front?
Yeah man.
You fat enough time, you know too. Suck your good.
Trouble man, that's it, you know. Yeah. Vice. Alright. See it come through there now. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah man.
We see ready up right now to do it.
Yeah man.
Yeah. We lighter there, cause fire time now, you know. Make up the fire, you know. See ackee them, yeah.
So you don't know, right there, sir, you have to pick out the ackee them, guys. Yeah. Show you how you pick out the ackee. Well, some people use knives, some people don't, you know. Yeah. So you have to pick out the ackee them. Yeah.
Catch the fire for 9 girls.
With Chef Omar. Chef Omar right there. And Scalibur.
Keep bright color things.
Yeah man.
So hit that.
Breadfruit them.
Ring out the heart,
Yeah
you know.
man. Cut out them. Cut them
Ring
out.
out the heart. You see, you have to ring out the heart and ink that drain out, you know.
Yeah. Then Them go and drain out, stain go and drain out.
Roast father.
The roast part.
There's another techniques to the roasting breadfruit. You just bust the back, the bottom, the keep the steam can fly through.
Eat a little bus and
yeah, a little X, you know. X mean 10, you know. Give them the 10, you know, Romans numeral 10 there.
Yeah.
Yeah, give them the Romans numeral and X out some things.
So we give them a different style of bush adventure, you know, bush cooking. Now the hills, you know.
Yeah. So you see long fire now for the breadfruit.
Yeah man, some more breadfruit just and the sour orange just make the juice same way. Yeah, watch what go on guys, natural coconut oil, you know. Yeah man, natural coconut oil we are going to use, see. Fry up the ackee and the, you know.
The meat kind.
Yeah, natural.
Otherwise we call it salty.
Nice, it a nice taste, you know, natural. Alright, just so now, yeah, you don't know, we have to clean out the chicken back, you know. Nice with the chicken back, guys. Trust me on that, adventurous lifestyle, you know. So we have to get the chicken back and well clean out. Yeah, man. See, they clean out the bloody stuff outside. Flat up bloody night, you know. Yeah, man. We have everything, man.
Whenever food can reach roasting stage, bro.
Yeah, man. Fire well ready here now.
You know that.
Fire well ready to take the breadfruit. Yeah, man. Next fire there, so we roast the breadfruit. They will come up, you know. So we use the fire to cook the ackee. Yeah, man. Yes, guys. So breadfruit on fire now. Breadfruit, they might get roast right there, so. Watch you go and see them a turn color there looking at me great. Yeah man, so that's a 3 and 4 that's a guys, 7 breadfruit. Yeah man, so as I say, spear fisherman there, Yeah man. Due to sea rough. You say we are going to no adventurous lifestyle, you know. Out in the hills. Watch you go and pay bush round. In the hills. Here bush. Up in the hills. Yeah man. Yes guys, so you can see we just going to make up the fire here. Put on the
Yeah man, see them.
Put on the pot, make it go on hot, you know.
At the pot,
Breadfruit fire this guys. Yeah, what? 7 breadfruit this up on the fire. Yeah man. This is how we roast breadfruit guys. Watch it pre. We don't need no big fire like when we are cook. We just make bank up and light it in between.
My boy, you know, you like you prove what talk about that man.
Spoon. You left a spoon, so I make a wooden spoon out of piece of sweet tooth. Or then call it sweet stick. Yeah man, we are giving them a lifestyle. Until I say, yeah, bush cooking, you know, so we want everything for all I do without bush. I don't know, so you can cook out a wooden pot, you know. Cooking a wooden pot, so we have to cook in an iron pot. I make a wooden spoon out of sweet stick, sweet tooth, them call it. Yeah man, we don't want no more on this guys.
Clean up the pint.
Scrape off it.
Natural root can't do you nothing.
Can't do nothing guys.
Healthy.
Sweet tooth that them use the same sweet tooth.
Make
jerk,
toothpick.
you know,
I make toothpick and all them things.
Yeah. Now we want to do a crepe off it guys.
Clean up down at the pint when down there. Take your knife and peel it. Don't put it back down on the board.
Yes guys, so the chicken back a fry, you know. A fry down.
So scotch in the middle.
The nice scotch bonnet in it. Remember we said the wooden spoon. Yeah man. Good guys. Chicken back a fry down. Yeah man, breadfruit soon ready same way. Yeah man. Just to make them steam down a little bit, you know. Because when time them eat nice. We don't want no hardness in them, guys. So just go and relax and stay tuned, you know. Yeah, man. Hope you have a full drive video, you know, guys. Yeah, man. Spearfishing with Odane. Coming at you with a different adventure lifestyle, you know, in the hills. Yeah. Yes, guys. Ackee up and running. Ready, guys. Yeah, man.
Ackee no cook, man.
Breadfruit get roast this so. Ackee get cooked this so. Breadfruit this again.
The Ackee no cook, man.
Yeah, taste.
Taste what
You
go
say the
on.
Ackee no cook, brother. You tell me about
Ackee and rum in a famous system, sir.
You say Ackee no cook, man.
Ackee no cook it.
You want it softer than that?
Ackee no cook it.
Just don't cook. Aye.
Show me what go on and say now, peeps.
When Ackee sweet, you no cook, man.
Chicken back this so well fried down. I wait for the Ackee to finish cook, guys. Yeah, man. Water there, so now if you go make some juice. You don't know. Watch a little black spot of bush there. You don't know too. We have all the breadfruit and stuff. So orange just the same if make the juice. Because we don't know so a bush there, guys. Yeah, man. As me say, 2 oil. We use this oil to fry the chicken back. Yeah, man. So when time we are going to fry up the Ackee and chicken back now, we are going to use this coconut oil. Yeah. No burn stomach around here, guys. Ice there, sir, if you put in the refreshment. Yeah, man, what you are going now? Yes, sir. We are going to cut up a vegetable or seasoning, what you call it, for the Ackee and chicken back, guys. Onion are cut up yesterday. Tomato yesterday. Scotch bunny pepper them. Sorry, me never get no sweet pepper this morning, guys. Yeah, man. That's how you think set, you know. You don't know everything there. Sugar there, so to mix this refreshment same way. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yes, guys, Ackee there ready now. The chicken back. Put in the chicken back and you see what go on. Yeah, man. Looking beautiful, colorful.
You get a stir.
Okay,
Get some onions. Throw in the meat.
Throw in the chicken back.
Alright. The badness come down.
Yeah.
What is the iron though? What is the iron, brother? Get the iron come. It's too dry.
Yeah, man. Chicken back and Ackee. I remember them days, yeah. Bro, wow. This they call the poor people national dish. Yeah, man.
Add a little more iron.
Yeah, man. So we add a little more oil to it. You need more natural coconut oil, guys. Alright, eat a little mixture now.
Stir it.
Now if you use that now.
Stir it. Open and come off of your life, you know.
No, me change it.
You come off of your life.
Now if I catch this. Drop in your black pepper in there now, man.
Get black pepper to the thing now, brother.
Put black pepper timer now.
See there?
Get man.
Natural black pepper. Only thing you know understand to pull black pepper, can pull it upside down. That's why it takes so long in a use. So you draw. Ah, trouble. Sorry, draw.
Go and work hard, man. Let the meat mix and you know everything marinate properly. Yeah, man, make everything marinate properly, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Come in and soak in.
Yeah.
As the boss say, marinate good.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, make the taste of the chicken back bounce off married to the Ackee, you know.
Is it there?
Oh, yes, the husband and wife, you know.
Is it there?
Yes, guys.
Yeah.
Natural.
Natural beauty.
Natural and perfect. Ackee and chicken back, roast breadfruit.
At the shop.
At the deal. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Outside, bush cooking, guys. Yeah, man. So I go on the bikers them out. In the hills. Yeah, man, everything there. Yeah, man. Adventurous lifestyle in the hills.
Yeah, more rum though.
Yeah, friend.
Very rum.
Just above Runaway Bay, Cadifal, place, Old Road. Yeah man, my place, my community guys. And you know we there, we out. Spearfishing with what? Odane.
Not even no
You
cheese.
see it? Yeah man, so we there.
I serious.
I will have vibes.
See it there? Finishing.
Ackee ready now guys, so we take care of fire now. Yeah man, I'm brave enough. So honey now guys, yeah man.
Where you talk to Jamaica me from?
Yeah man.
Yeah man.
But ready guys.
Ready up.
Show I go and give them a beauty, perfect beauty. Yeah man.
Almighty God, you see steamer come out.
Steamer come out guys, natural and perfect.
Me say you never there forget some.
Ackee and chicken back. Wow. Yes guys, so breadfruit ready now and I get roast now.
Yeah, roast already man. Is that really?
Yeah, roast and I get peel now, so you don't know. Yeah man, you see? Some man I well breadfruit man, and I know if you peel now. Watch your breadfruit stay clean guys. No black to breadfruit. Yeah, so a man, yeah, see it? John Star. Guys, boy, I'm starting in Defi. The see aroma after the roasting breadfruit. Oh God.
Steamer fly from
Oh God, man. So I show you, I mean, and I cannot touch it. Ackee and chicken back not touch it, guys. John. Remember, man, spearfishing with Odane, outside cooking adventure. Rust lifestyle, guys.
No man, just cut them, pick them
Yeah.
up. Cut put in a tube. Roll up and cut up here, man.
Yeah, man. Breadfruit, I get cooked right there, so.
You cut up
I get cut up right there, so. Get cooked roast and I get cut up. Cause we don't really want a big breadfruit now we plate, you know. I don't like when, you know, we want to look, we need it to be presentable. Regardless, we in the bush. Yeah, but we want it to fit properly in the plate. Yeah. Nice yellow. Oh yes, yellow heart breadfruit. Yes, guys. So as you can see, breadfruit them all. We finish peel them up, you know. So we just go and cut them up and get out the heart out of them, and you know, after finish doing that, then we start, you know, shear out and sit down and go chat and consume while we are consume it, you know. Yeah, man. So just wait till the breadfruit them finish cut up and you know. Yeah man. Yes guys, you know, breadfruit get shear out the Sunday, you know. Yeah man, so we are gonna shear out the Ackee there right away.
You have to hold it close to the plate.
Yeah man. So I go on. You know, I look beautiful now, the salad, you know. Yes, guys. That's a go on, man. Wait, one man, I go eat out of pot this. Are you eat out of pot? So I will go to pudding pan this. The pudding. Yeah, meat na plate. No put no more in a man plate, brother. You talk about you afraid of man, brother?
Yeah, man, back up. You talk about, man.
Man, I talk about put meat in a plate.
Can't get no more until everybody get.
Yeah.
Remember, this is a pan there.
You know, so the coconut oil have a fragrance, boy. I love it.
Nice, man. I'm tell you about coconut oil, brother. Natural coconut oil, man. Tell you about the fragrance you bring, man.
Man, I love the fragrance with coconut. And we can smell the coconut oil in it, you know.
I tell you, say natural. It's not like the regular oil where regular oil burn your stomach after. But you see coconut oil, guys, trust me, see right over there in that little jar there, you see.
Yeah.
With the black cork. Yeah. Wait, a man, I go to all the bucket, yes, sir. Yeah, the bush, all the bush there, guys. Pot cover style. Yeah, man. Pot, yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Cover up the juice.
I style, man.
You're good man. There's no food in the plate today. Plate share for you already, you know.
Yeah man, so every man got them different ways, you know. Time to consume. Yeah man. Time to consume food, guys.
No, African style.
Real yard style, real Jamaican style, real bush
We use
cooking.
the honor eat, you know.
Yeah
We
man.
use the honor eat it, you see it? Real deal, you know. Get
No,
a good piece of breadfruit and tuck in a Ackee.
a bush with them, we don't want no spoon, guys. We say, what go on here now?
Yeah, food, we are buy it up.
We say, what go on now, Elder?
Yeah, man, everything nice, man.
Remember, you know, guys, spearfishing with Odane outside. Oh,
That's right, taking it.
pot cover.
Real thing, boosting.
Yeah.
Right, man.
Utensil limited.
It's a one.
Yeah, man.
We say up.
Yeah.
You know, you take plate.
It's a one.
Food all over.
Guys.
You're the cook.
Oh, I'm say Chef Omar, you too, me da pick Ackee this morning, me and him, they was bite him. Kind of swell up him finger them guys, and can't manage to eat, you know, and can't manage to cooking. So, you don't know. So, we have to get a new chef. Grab you with local young fisherman friend who we are training, you know.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. I eat, man. And this is boss, you know. Real general. And this is boss now. This is a man here with the brains. Yeah. Yeah, man. Outside adventure, you know. Spearfishing with Odane. Yes, guys. Don't know. Spearfishing with Odane. Yeah, man. So, there in the hills of Senton, just above Cadifa, Runaway Bay, you know. Place called Old Road, my community, you know. So we just come out and do an outside adventure with some roast breadfruit and ackee and chicken back. Don't know. It's a service. Share around my lifestyle to you guys, you know. So I say welcome, you know. Sorry, you never there have experience what going on right now, you know. Natural.
Cover them there in a package, yeah.
Nice. Try go on.
No, breadfruit.
You try go on, guys.
No, man, no package, yeah.
Yeah, man, it's a blessing. Yes, guys, so I chef idea this. Free boss plate, no, man.
You know what I say, go?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, I say, get in there, chef. You have to, you take it last, that's it. You have to eat that, make them say, yo.
Like you plate run out on the boss. Book it, the boss a beat you out, guys.
Alright, no pain.
So you say about, me ask you something about the natural coconut oil, what it is?
Yeah, man. It's sexy, man. You have a bun. Good.
Think cars on them,
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. No, I know.
Rod, someone like that, if you hold like Ackee and wait, I saw me know say coconut oil really have a buzz in them, man. If you hold like breadfruit, guys, oh, go on yourself. And this man I really have a brain for you. No man beg him. Yes, guys, so we done here now, everybody drink them juice. Man, enjoy this adventurous lifestyle, guys. Spearfishing with Odane. Yeah, and look out. And if you're watching this far, subscribe to Spearfishing with Odane, and remember to hit that post notification bell. Yeah, man. Like, share, and comment. Yeah, man. And remember, if you don't hit that post notification bell, you will not be notified when we drop a next video, guys.